Hello everyone, this is Rick Dante. In this video, I will show you how to recover your corrupted or damaged video files such as your MP4 and MOV or AVI from your camera's computer or mobile phone with the Stellar Video Repair software. First of all, I will show you some basic features for the Stellar Video Repair software and there show you step by step about how to get back your corrupted video file back. So you could just download the software by clicking the link below this video and find some features such as it could repair your video file from different video formats, and you could download it for Windows or Mac, and some other features into sector. For example, you could repair your corrupted or just damaged video file from your computer, Mac, as well as from some cameras, SD cards, USB drive, mobile phone, from your juice or CCTVs in the sector. So this is the Stellar Video Repair software interface. You can find it's very easy to use. Now I will just show you how to repair a corrupted or damaged video with this software. So first of all, I just prepared a corrupted video here onto my hard drive E, and I tried to play it, but it doesn't work as it damaged it. So now here I just try to end the corrupted video file in the software, just here, yes. After that, tap on the repair button. It may take some time, but as the file size is only 58, so not so large, it should be finished very quickly. If your video file is large, you may need to be a little bit patient. So as you can see, it's moving very quickly, which will be prepared very soon. So now the prepared process is completed, and it seems the video is already repaired successfully, as the software shows the preview and the status as completed. Here you could just tap on preview and say whether the corrupted video is repaired successfully now, because please keep it in mind that the Stellar Video Repair software is not free. It will cost you some money. So you could take a look at the price of the software here. It is the 49 euros for standard license and 69 for the premium. So you could just say whether your video could be previewed successfully, and then consider whether it's worthwhile to repair the video file. So now here I would just try to save the repaired video into my computer. Here you could keep it at the source location, or just keep it to a different place. I suggest that you save the file at customer location instead of this original source location, in case the data is overwritten or just to get it corrupted further. So now here I will save the video file under my hard drive F, and in this folder, repaired video. After that, just tap on the save. Then I will just go to my hard drive F, find the repaired video. So this is the, and say whether it could be played. So as you could say, the video could be played normally right now, but you have to remember, keep it in mind that not all the video files can be prepared successfully, which depends on different scenarios. For example, here I just try to corrupt a video by purpose with an online corrupt video tool. For example, you could just type in the how to corrupted video. They could find some online corrupted video file, but please note that this when you use this tool, the video is severely damaged, so it's very hard to repair. But I just show you an example when you cannot repair your some damaged or corrupted file. So here I just end this file once again. Here I just go back and there and another file under from my desktop, severely corrupting the video file, and then try to repair it. It also takes some time to finish the video prepare process, so just bear a little bit. So as you can see, this time it shows advanced repair, which means the video is not prepared successfully. So when you're trying to repair your video file and if the software shows advanced repair, then you cannot repair it successfully. Here it will just let you end a sample video. You could just continue to choose a sample video that is taken with the same device. So anyway, you could just try to use this stellar video repair software and see whether your corrupted video file could be fixed successfully. So that's the video tutorial I introduced today about how to repair your corrupted video.